A stationary bicycle is a device used as an exercise equipment for indoor cycling. It includes a saddle, pedals, and some form of handlebars arranged as on a bicycle. A stationary bicycle is usually a special purpose exercise machine resembling a bicycle without wheels. Now let us look at the some of the benefits of stationary cycle. 1. Low impact. Indoor cycling is a low impact activity. People recovering from orthopedic injuries often participate in indoor cycling as a part of the rehabilitation protocol. If cycling is done correctly, there is a minimal impact on the hip, knee, and ankle joints. 2. Muscle strengthening. When you are pedaling against a resistance in indoor cycling, you increase the strength of the muscles in the leg, which includes the quadriceps, hamstring, gluteus, and the calf muscles. Working these muscles also helps to strengthen surrounding bones, tendons, and ligaments, increasing overall strength. 3. Cardiac endurance. Stationary cycle helps to improve cardiac endurance. It is the level at which your heart and muscles work together when you are exercising for an extended period of time. This shows how efficiently your cardiac system functions well when you are pedaling stationary cycle. 4. Lung endurance. It helps to improve respiratory endurance. It is the level at which your lungs and muscles work together for an extended period of time. This shows how efficiently your respiratory system functions and how physically fit and healthy you are. 5. Stress levels. And indoor cycling can provide that same rush of adrenaline and release a happy mood inducing neurotransmitters known as endorphins. Endorphins tend to create feeling of euphoria, lower stress levels, and enhance the body's immune response. 6. Exercise intensity. ACSM recommends that healthy adults should get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. It can be achieved through 30 to 60 minutes of moderate intensity exercise 5 days per week. 20 to 60 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise 3 days per week. 7. Heart diseases. Indoor cycling can help to bring down your blood pressure as well as your bad LDL cholesterol. Indoor cycling will also helps to raise your good HDL cholesterol. 8. Pregnancy. Indoor cycling can be a good option for you if you are pregnant. You will get a good aerobic workout without further stressing your joints. It is safer than riding a bike outside. You will not have to worry about falls once your center of gravity begins to shift with your growing belly. 9. Arthritis. With your doctor's approval, indoor cycling could be the key to lifting your energy level and your mood. When you cycle, you will be building up your leg muscles, and this helps to support the knee joint. If you are having a knee pain, stick to the seated and limited standing core movement. You can also alter the seat height. 10. Balance and coordination. Balance is the ability to maintain a controlled body position during task performance. Static balance is the ability to hold a stationary position with control. Dynamic balance is the ability to remain balanced while engaged in movement. Cycling is a repetitive activity using coordinated muscle recruitment patterns to apply force to the pedals. Muscle coordination among antagonist pairs of mono and biarticular muscles.